Hello traders, this is the Phantom coming to you live from the crypt where we are haunting the charts and resurrecting profits in a downright ghastly market. We're releasing this particular chart out to the public, let you know some of the positions that we're participating in. Had a new stock hit the Phantom's radar today, kind of an interesting unique pattern that we don't see that frequently. We thought we'd release it to the public and let you guys in on what we're seeing. As you notice on the chart of Amazon here, there's a pretty obvious pattern. You say Phantom. This is not unique. I see this all the time. It's head and shoulders pattern. Come on. My grandma taught me this pattern back in 1962. Phantom. If they ever find ancient ruins under Wall Street, there's going to be papyrus there with head and shoulders patterns on it. I understand. I see where you're coming from. You're right. Everyone talks about the head and shoulders pattern. Whenever you see the head and shoulders, that probably means it isn't going to come to fruition. But this is interesting head and shoulders, a little bit different than you're accustomed to seeing. If you remember back a long time ago, in trading terms, back October 29th, Amazon released earnings and had a huge gap up, and that's what makes this head and shoulders pattern much different. If you take a look at this, you'll see a huge airspace in the chart, and stock charts don't like air. They like to move up evenly, move down evenly. Gaps are uncomfortable. We like to call this the guillotine trade, because essentially the head and shoulders pattern is floating above old price action, just like a decapitated stock. I understand it's pretty gruesome, but it certainly makes the picture. Today, September 14th, we had some action in Amazon, possibly forming right shoulder in this floating head and shoulders pattern. The left shoulder demonstrated a high about 145.91. We got up to about 146.70 today. This could be resistance. If this pattern plays out, there's a pretty clear path that you can expect this stock to take. The neckline would become your first target to the downside around 110. If that breaks down, then we're looking at gap fill all the way down to 94. You say, Phantom, you're crazy. Stock's trading at $145. You think it's going to lose that much money? Amazon may not go down that quickly. This pattern's taken about 12 months to form, meaning final targets may take a little bit longer to come to fruition. It's something just to be watching. Probably one of the lowest risk points of this trade would have been picking up some short positions in Amazon today, possibly adding to that position if it were to institute a double top right around the 152 level. I'd say if it breaks out higher than that, then this pattern has failed, and you probably just want to cut your losses at that point. But this is something you certainly can be watching. Stay tuned. We'll be bringing similar positions out in video form for you to check out and learn, and we can learn together. Feel free to leave comments, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and all those great things. Be careful out there. Thank you.